Did you know humans didn't really invent Velcro? Nature did. A Swiss engineer was walking his dog in the forest. When he came back, he noticed tiny burr, seeds stuck to his clothes, and his dog's fur. Curious, he examined them under a microscope and discovered a natural hook and loop design. That same design inspired the invention of Velcro, so the straps on your shoes, your bags, and even your jackets are based on nature's blueprint. Nature isn't just beautiful, it's the greatest engineer of all. Follow for more amazing tech and nature facts.